Domain 3 requires teachers to guide the learning process through grouping, interacting with, and enabling students. Unlike traditional ability-based grouping, personalized grouping allows for students to work in cooperative learning environments that focus more on instructional mode and student interest. Domain 3 is directly related to the models of blended learning, including station rotation, individual rotation, self-blend, and whole school blend. The three primary functions of the teacher in this capacity are to implement effective grouping of students in engaging learning stations, to interact with students in whole and small group learning, collaboration stations, and self-blend open learning environments, as well as to curate digital media, open source content, and learning objects for student use. The teacher creates the active, engaged, and effective learning space. Group. The teacher provides an engaging and rich learning environment that leverages personalized grouping in active stations that include digital instruction, small groups, project-based applied learning, collaboration groups, and self-blended options. The teacher has grouped students on both need and interest, and a strong and clear cooperative learning environment is evident.
It gives me the opportunity to have smaller groups, and then I'm able to do more of the hands-on things that we always plan on doing but never get around to doing in the classroom. I have more freedom to be the teacher that I am, to be able to blend in different styles, and I love it. We truly build those independent learners. So you have those students that are able to initiate conversation, they initiate asking a question, they seek out that help, and that's something that we don't normally see until someone goes to college, right? So to be able to build that skill set right now is pretty awesome.
Interact. The teacher has cultivated active and independent learning amongst students, as well as a clear mechanism for students accessing teacher-led support. The teacher uses both visual cues and data to ensure that all students are engaged and supported while providing meaningful feedback and guidance. Stations and groups are designed to foster self-directed and collaborative learning.
We do a lot of projects, and a lot of time the groups are kind of self-orchestrated, where we kind of come to each other and we're like, can you help me with this? Are you on the same thing? And we're like, yeah. So we come together and we collaborate, and it's more of an interactive experience. Teachers help us, if we're confused about something, they're there, but they're not hounding over us. It's more of a, go at your own pace and do what you want.
Curate. The teacher participates in educational social exchange sites, makes educational digital media and open source content available, has cultivated a wide range of digital learning objects that have been aligned to existing content, and LOR or other exchange that allows for quick and easy use. Teachers are able to discern educational value and level of assets and model and teach that skill to students.
The teacher is allowed to go out and use the whole open free domain world to gather material for their classes. Hey, it's great. There's just so much material available on the internet for the teachers that they can do anything they want to do. They can create their class any way they want to create their class. They can teach their course anyway. It may be called world history, and it can truly be world history.